Life is an experiment.
Yeah.
Say. Test your hypothesis. The hypothesis. Okay. What are you going to make? I wonder how to make.
Soup.
Say I wonder how to make soap.
I was having
Say to Nana. Say to Nana. I wonder how to make soap. Okay. Then see what is this?
It's soap.
Yeah. It's a soap. Glycerin flakes. Yes. Yeah. You wanna cut it with this?
Yeah, I want to cut.
Careful, Mayu. Careful. Hey.
It's cutting.
Yeah. Yes.
Wow. This one.
Yes.
Yeah.
This is. You should keep in that. You should keep in that.
One.
Should keep in that.
This one.
Yeah. Keep in this. Keep in this.
This.
Huh. You can this one you can take. No. This one.
Then.
Careful.
It's.
Yeah.
There's a way there.
Yeah. Yeah. You should have grown-ups helps when you are using knife. Helps when you are using knife. Okay. Okay. Now Mayuka is going to boil it this. Okay.
Okay.
I'll get the hot water.
Hot water.
Yeah.
Hot water. We have some of the hot water.
Yeah. This is the hot water.
Hot.
Then
Wow.
Mayuka is going to stir. Stir.
Hey, here's this. Up. Yeah.
You should do like this, stirring. Mine stir with this. It's better, I guess so. Comparatively that.
Give me a water boots. So soon.
Huh?
Soon. I want to put it. This. I do it.
Open it. Open the door. Take the soap.
It's done.
Huh?
It's done.
Huh.
It's done.
Patko. Huh. Chappu.
Huh?
What is that?
It's a crazy box.
Huh.
What should you bubble stuff?
Buy soap and chappu.
I was having stuff.
Huh.
There's a tiny soap.
Yeah, tiny soap. Okay. Can you just do this one? Open it.
Oh.
Ah.
It's open it. How to open it? You can find it.
Huh?
It's there.
Fish. Yeah. Then this one.
Okay? Put your Disney fish.
Open this.
There.
Hmm.
In.
Open that.
I can open it. Yeah.
Open it.
I saw it open.
What is this?
It's so.
Straw. Okay. This one.
Oh, it's so big.
Huh.
Oh.
Okay. How many soaps you made?
Hmm?
How many soaps you made? 1. Count.
One.
Hmm.
One
Hmm.
is called
Hmm.
one.
Hmm. 2,
Yeah.
3.
Yeah.
Can you wash with your soap? Can you wash your hands with your soap? Go there. Go there.
Okay. See, I washing all around.
Okay. Keep it there. Wash it.
Wow.
You made a soap.
And then the
You clean with your soap.
this one.
Hmm. Hmm.
Yeah.
Hmm.
And
Wow.